Alright guys, so these are my Sunflower Challenge sunflowers. We got 6, I applied 6 and we got 4 come up out of 6. The other 2 rotted for whatever reason, probably overwatered them, as I tend to do, but we've still got 4. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to be repotting these into these little square pots. They won't be in there for long, probably a week or 2, and then I'll move them up a bigger pot. The reason is because I need the space, and these pots will fit on my tray and the other ones won't, otherwise I would go straight to the next size up. So I'm just going to get them repotted, and got my labels ready. Sunflower Challenge SFC, and this is just a cut up a milk carton to make all my tags, just to save on buying plant tags and wasting plastic. Alright, so I'll get started on potting these up. Alright, so what we've got to do now is we've got to get these out of here. So I'm thinking the easiest way is just going to be to flip this over, take the whole thing out. So sunflowers have quite a long taproot. It doesn't matter too much if you break it in the early stages, because it will regrow. So don't worry about that too much. Sorry if you can hear the dogs messing around in the background. So I've just got these little pots which I've had for a couple of years now. So I'm just going to put a little bit in the bottom, just so the roots can get straight into something. I'm going to replant these quite a lot deeper than what they were. I'm just going to fill in around the edges with compost. And gently firm down as you go. When I repot things, I almost always go quite high up, almost fill the pot all the way up almost, because the compost will settle down. And just gently press it down and give it a tap to get any air pockets out. And there you have it, there's one repotted. I'll get back to you when I finish the other ones. Right, so that's the sunflowers repotted. These 4 are the sunflowers for the Sunflower Challenge, set by Nick at Nick's Allotment Diary. I will leave a link down the bottom to the challenge. Ignore the cucumbers in the background, they'll be in a different video. They're just underneath the grow lights for a little bit longer, until they can go outside in the greenhouse or what have you. So anyway, thanks a lot for watching guys, and thanks for all your great comments, and thanks for liking my videos. I'll keep you updated on these, and we'll see you next time. See you later.